Today I am talking about something special about these stocks. These stocks trade at this moment $112. These stocks give today return 0.7%. In the last 5 days return, these stocks give approximately more than 3%. In the last 1 month, these stocks give only 2% return. In the last 6 months, these stocks give approximately 12% return. Okay. And if you see the year to date return and 1 year's return, which is on an average return, that is good. Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. So these stocks make how much return in the last 5 years? So these stocks give approximately 126% return, which is very good return. In the last 1 years, we already show the return. So now you can see the maximum return 115x return. That means 11514. That means 11,500% return the stocks make in the whole return. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.